Hello, this is Making Money and Saving Money with Sharon. I want to tell you about a great app that I use. Yeah, again, let me say it again in case those who didn't hear me. Making Money, Saving Money with Sharon. And I want to share with you a site I've been using for years, and I just cashed out with this site called Abada about 2 weeks ago, $21 and some change. And I just want to share with you about how you can continue to save and everything. So, I know years ago, I I used to. It's amazing. It seemed like maybe maybe 10 or more years ago that I used to sit down and look at the Sunday paper and clip out coupons and then hopefully get a rebate. Maybe some rebates would be in the paper. Now you don't have to worry about that now. Everything is digital. And now just look at your phone and blah blah blah, but still you still need to check out and see what's going on with your favorite store or whatever. And so it's amazing how you had to keep up with expiration dates of the rebate, expiration dates of the coupon, and there was a lot of stuff to keep up with. Now everything is one big place to have everything. So you see at the corner here, on the right hand side, you see $4. I just got a rebate through Walmart. I went to Walmart yesterday, and they had the Bounty towels, paper towels. It's 6 count or higher. You get the $4 cash back, and I don't know if they still have it on here or not. That might have been. Oh, they got it back. They got it back. So yeah, they got the $4, and let's see, one time per receipts. Like I say, 6 count or higher. And I got it at Walmart, but you see there are other stores that you could get it at: Walmart, Target, Dollar General, Kroger, and then they said available for pickup and delivery at Walmart, CVS, Rite Aid, and Lowe's Foods. I don't know Lowe's Food, but anyway, it's not in my area. So, but yeah, so I got that. That was the only thing that really I qualified for. I had some other items as well. You know how Walmart, you can't just get one thing. So you're gonna I supposed to been getting like two things, but I end up with 17 things. So but this was the only thing that I actually had the cashback, qualified for the cashback on. So, let's see what they got now. Did they add anything? Let's slowly look. I should have got the Nutri-Grains. I love to eat those, the strawberry ones. I should have got some. But I was trying to get out of Walmart as fast as it's possible, I promise. But it seemed like I couldn't get out there fast enough. So, you see some of the things that they have. I'm just trying to I'm trying to stroll as slowly as I can so you can see everything. Um, yeah, so this, like I said, so far I just got $4. That was the only thing that I qualified for. They have a lot of Procter and Gamble products, which you know that Bounty paper towels is a Procter and Gamble product. I'm sure most of you know that. So, but they have a lot of Procter and Gamble products listed and everything. So, like I said, that was the only thing that I got. And like I said, 2 weeks ago, I cashed out $21 and some change, which you have to have $20 in your Ibotta to cash out. And when I cashed out, I chose, they have many different gift cards, but I always choose the PayPal cash, where you could, spend the money wherever you like, then getting a certain gift card. So remember, you could sign up for Ibotta. It's free to join. The link, I'm going to have the link below if you want to do that. Then if you want to choose PayPal cash, when you cash out $20 or higher, you could sign up for PayPal. I could have that link in there below too, so it can help you out. So on that. But you see all the different things that they have. And like again, my channel is Making Money and Saving Money with Sharon. I focus on anything from personal finance to just strategies on trying to get the best out of making that money or saving that dollar around shopping, around just the extra money we need sometimes when it's not available, how we could create it. So I'm that's here to help you on that. I'm not a expert or anything. I'm just a person that I got a few techniques I like to share about survive. I also have a video, my Walmart strategy, how to get free groceries. I will have that link below for you to check that out also. So yeah, how you get free grocery and make money on top of that. What I'm gonna say, make money on top of that, because I got cashback and with a bottle on top of that. So I want you to see that video, and I will have that link. Like I said, I'll have the link of the Ibotta for you to join, free to join. PayPal, it don't cost nothing to join. PayPal, if you got a PayPal balance, let's say you cashed out at 20 and you sign up for PayPal, you could also ask, if you don't want to give out your personal information, you could sign up to get a PayPal debit card and have it applied to that PayPal debit card, and you could use it that way. Different things people could do, get gas or whatever they want to do, and you could use it that way. And that way, your personal information, people feel sometimes more like, I don't want to give my information. I understand that. So if you don't want to do that and all that. So here's some of the things, and all thing I don't want to stroll too fast. Only thing I could say is I hope you join, and I hope you check out my other videos on my channel. Like I said, again, my name is Making Money, Saving Money with Sharon, and check me out and everything, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.